Testing printed circuit board assemblies, PCBAs, can be quite a daunting task, don't you think? It's a complex world where precision is paramount. The intricate nature of these assemblies, with their numerous components and connections, calls for meticulous attention to detail. Each test point, each signal path, each component value needs to be checked and rechecked to ensure functionality. And with human intervention in the process, there is always a risk of error. A missed connection here, an overlooked component there, and the entire assembly could fail, leading to costly reworks and delays. Moreover, the testing process can be quite time-consuming. Each assembly needs to be tested individually, and when you're dealing with hundreds or even thousands of PCBAs, those hours quickly add up. So, we find ourselves wrestling with a trilemma: precision, time, and human error. And this is where artificial intelligence enters the scene. So how can artificial intelligence help us overcome these challenges? Let's dive in. Enter the world of AI-powered self-healing test fixtures, a revolutionary concept in the world of PCBA testing. Imagine a world where your testing fixtures have the ability to adapt and heal themselves in response to detected defects, ensuring a seamless testing process. This is no longer a figment of imagination, but a reality brought to life by the power of artificial intelligence. These self-healing test fixtures are a game changer. They are designed to adapt to defects and inconsistencies in the PCBA manufacturing process. When a defect is detected, the system immediately adjusts itself, ensuring that the testing process continues without any interruption. This adaptability is made possible by the AI running in the background, which is constantly learning and improving from every defect it encounters. But how does this work? It's all about machine learning algorithms. These algorithms analyze patterns and trends from previous defects, then use this information to predict and adapt to future ones. The more defects it encounters, the more it learns, and the better it gets at preventing interruptions in the testing process. The role of AI in automating the testing